Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create videos from text in HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and open the main dashboard. From the dashboard, start a new video project and choose the option for creating a video from text if available in your account. Now enter the text or script you want to turn into a video. Make sure your content is clear and organized because HeyGen will use this text as the foundation for your video. Next, choose an AI avatar or presenter for your project. Select an avatar that matches the topic and style of your content. After that, choose an AI voice and select the appropriate language. Pick a voice that sounds natural and fits the audience you're creating the video for. Now customize the video by selecting a background, adding text, and adjusting the layout. You can organize your content into scenes so each part of the script appears at the right moment. Once your project is ready, preview the video from beginning to end. Check the script, avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, and visual design. If you find any mistakes, return to the editor and make the necessary changes. Preview the video again until everything looks correct. Finally, generate the video and wait for HeyGen to finish processing your project. When the video is ready, watch the final result and export it using the available options.